Copy. Just keep an eye on it. Let Hall take the radio. No. We're 97 area. Go ahead, Johnny.
Alright, he's currently trying to get into the car next to him. It's a Chrysler. Actually, he got the car open. It's an Audi. It's an Audi SUV. I'm sorry, Audi vehicle. He got in the front seat, driver's seat. 10DBK is the Mercedes. Alright, yep. They're gonna bail. Stand by. I'm 33. Dogs on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna have the radio, please. Vehicle's taking off. Head on for Uncle Sam, stand by. Let 0 know, please, let 0 know.
Where they at, Johnny?
Right behind you, they got him cornered in, stand by.
Get on the ground!
Western entrance. Stand by. Alright, I need more units down there, please. Canine, there's one more in the back. Tony, there's one guy in the back still in the car. Just hold your position. Everybody hold tight.